What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today. Today, we had an amazing, wonderful day. Everything that we thought could happen did happen, guys. And I'm going to be breaking it all down for you. So thank you so much for being here. Why don't you guys let me know where you're tuning in from tonight? Let me throw your name up on the screen. Shout out to all the Trading Wars Army members in the building. Anthony Sharp, what's going on? My brother, Bad Indy, what's going on? Roman, good to see you. Let me retweet this, guys. This is life-changing information here. This is what we do every single day. So we got to get serious right now, man. So let's try to bring some more people in here. Live now. Let me show you how to tips. See if we can get some people up in here, man. Boom. All right, guys. So we got Roop from Ohio. What's going on? Good to see you. Who else do we have in the building? Brent from Seattle. Good to see you. What's going on, John? Good to see you. Erica from Trinidad and Tobago. What's going on? Who else do we have? So while we're going through there, guys, echoing. Hold on. All right. Let me know if the echo is better now. We have Ramon from Vancouver. Good to see you, brother. Appreciate you. Let's start breaking down the SPY, okay? So we had FOMC today, right? We knew that. Let me hit the bar replay here. Let me give you guys a detailed look into exactly what happened today and show you guys how to actually make money, okay? Because we're here to make money, right? Like, hit me with a 1 if you're here to make money, okay? Hit me with a 1 if you're here to make money. Hit me with a 2 if you're here for entertainment. I got into the stock market, guys, to make money. I came from a poor family, guys, a family of immigrants. I have a dream, guys. I had a dream back then that I was going to make money. That's why I do it. That's why I do it, guys. Not like there's people that are hungry out there. We're trying to get out. We're trying to get somewhere in life, guys. We lived in poverty. We need to get out. See? So that's why. So that's what we got to make. We got to focus on making money. Okay? Not being fancy, not having lines all over the place. It's about making money. Simple, effective ways to make money. That's it. All right. So, okay. So what we're going to do, and this is going to be a lesson for all of my members. Okay? There's going to be a lesson too. So the first thing you want to do every single day, guys, the first thing you want to do is this. You want to go to the SPY trigger day trades, and you want to put these on your chart. Okay? Watch me closely now. So the triggers, what the purpose of the triggers is, the purpose of the trigger is we're looking for a quick breakout, a quick move. And these triggers are always set up the night before. It would do the homework the night before. So I'm going to go ahead and draw the triggers with you. So if you are a member of the room, make sure you do this. Okay. So the long was 438. 438. I'm going to take my time today, guys. I'm here for you. Okay. I'm going to take my time. I'm going to appreciate you guys. So let me take my time here. So let's go ahead. Green. Okay. So let's do white is the entry. Okay. The stop loss is 434.92. 434.92, guys. Let me go ahead and put that. $434.92 in red. And the target is 441.84. Okay. Oops. All right. So this is like, let me put that in green. So this is how you mark up your chart before the day starts. All right. So let me just remove this here. So we're marking up our chart. We know we want to go long on the white line. Okay. Our stop loss is the red line for protection, and the green line is the target. So let's walk through everything now, step by step. The first thing that happens, guys, so the first time frame I always start with is the 3 minute, always. So we start off with the 3 minute. I press the first bar. Okay. Now, this bar, guys, is very important. You could see to the left, here is the previous day's high. Okay. So to the left here is the previous day's high. And the white line is where we want to get in long. But because we gapped up and we're up against the previous day's high, the first play that I want to always take is an opening range breakout, straight up. Because I understand that anybody that shorted here or anybody that went long here, they could be in a trapped position here because we're gapped. Look at the size of this gap. See that? That's a big gap. So let me just go here to the setups. And the other thing that I have to mention, guys, today is FOMC. So in my head, I'm also thinking about that. And usually, if you play FOMC, you can trade the news when you get a setup, or you can trade before the news into the actual announcement. But you never want to trade right at the announcement. Okay? So let's start off from the beginning here. So I like this gap up here. Going to try the orb. Get ready for the 3-minute orb short. So we started off with a short, okay? And this one was futures contracts, very, very quick, right? So look, you can see here. Here's a 3-minute candle. Boom, filled short, bam, done, okay? So this is just a one-to-one push right here. So that's why I use futures contracts, because I knew that it's going to be the premiums for the options are going to be very high, okay? So I got a one-to-one scalp off of there. And then after that, guys, I had a little runner on, and then it came back over here with this holy grail and took me out. Okay. So 3-minute orb is done. But notice this, guys. So you see how my white line, it never touched the white line. So I never got in for the long trigger. The trigger was also my swing trade play. So the white line is where I'm looking to buy the dip, but it never came there. So that's okay. It never came there. Now we're just going to move on to the next opportunity and see what's next. Okay, so hit me with a 3 if you're following me so far. So we had an orb. We got a nice one-to-one push down. Okay, nothing too crazy. And then we start reversing. So, all right. Usually in any given day, I take between 3 to 5 setups. Okay, not all of them are going to be home runs, but I'm always covering, taking targets where I can. Now, this is where this comes very important, guys. Let me go back to the daily chart here for SPY. Okay. So on the daily chart here for SPY, guys, what we were talking about yesterday was we had this inside bar. And what I said yesterday, guys, was that we can go ahead and look for a breakout and possibly a reversal at the 272. That's what I said yesterday on stream. And let me go back in time here so we can replay it again so that we could look at that. Okay, so we already went through the opening range breakout. Opening range breakout, guys, is always a good play. Okay, but let me hit the replay right here now again. Okay, so now let me go ahead and put on the 272. And you guys are going to see what a beautiful play this was. All right, so there's the low, there's the high. Okay, so my 272, guys, is this blue line right here. So let's replay the open again. Let me go to the 5-minute chart now so we could see it. So boom, we open up. Okay, so like I said, opening range breakout. We had a little push, then we turned around. Now, when we turned around, guys, I was just watching that 272, watching it. Okay, now check this out. We come here and watch this very closely. We come to the 272, and then check this out. This inside bar comes, and I'm like, thank you so much, because I got the confirmation. I got everything. Remember, I said, watch what happens when we hit the 272. So we got the 272, guys, and we put in an inside bar. So once that inside bar right here, guys, once that inside bar broke below the low, we took it short. Now check this out. Bam, 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 bam. Beautiful. Money, guys. And I'm going to go in here and I'm going to show you my younger brother. He took this one too with the small account, and he made about $100. All right. And let me just show you guys his Twitter, because you should be following him too, at TWIIB. So this is my younger brother. He does recaps on the future. He does futures contracts every day, the same setups we take in SPY. So here we go. So this was the play today. Beautiful. Okay. So we took the short because we knew that we could have a false breakout, and we knew it could be right at the 272. So we came and we pushed. We had an inside bar. The inside bar gave us the confirmation. The inside bar showed us, okay, we're at the 272 and everything is quiet. It's just paused. Nothing, like, it's like we're scared. Okay? It's like, what's going on? What's going on? We're just stopping here. And then we just take the break. It breaks the low right here, guys. Boom, you're triggered in short, bam. Okay? And you'll see that that level is a major level for the rest of the day. So what we're doing, what the 272, guys, what it's doing here, watch very closly when I show you this, okay? If we take the previous day's range with this white arrow, that's the previous day's range. The 272 is 27.2% added to that range. And that is a very critical level for the Fibonacci. That's why I wrote about it in my book. I see a lot of you guys are asking questions. You guys should already know the answer to this because we've gone through it many times. The 272 is where the algorithm can dump the position. Okay? So we have the push, and then the 27.2 is 27.2% of adding on to the range. So you can see it right here, right? So here is the full range of yesterday. Here's that little 27.2. And the purpose of it is what we call a measured move. So any algorithm that took these plays here, when they get the percentage extension, it's where they can dump the position. Okay? So it's a measurement. And the measurements are so powerful because, guys, remember, it's not me and you who are moving the market. It's not us who are moving the market, guys. It is the algorithms and the robots. So that's why you need to understand the Fibonacci. And guys, that's why I wrote the book. Why do you think I wrote a whole book on Fibonacci? Because these are the real stuff that goes on, guys. It's not about wedges and J-Los, and it's not about that, guys. It's just math. Right? So hit me with a 4 if you guys understand that. And then I'm going to show you guys here in the Discord where I called out the short right here. So this was at 10:10. I said we are at the 27.2 extension with the inside bar here. I'm putting on a small short hedge here like I discussed last night on YouTube. There we go. So I put on that hedge right there, guys. We got that short. Boom. And then we hit the money. It's beautiful, guys. And you guys won't believe this now. Let me take it to a next level. So once we took that short, guys, we covered, and then guess what happens? It came back to our white line. So it came back to our white line, which was our trigger, right? If I go back here to the swing trades, that is, see, our entry 438.46. Now we are actually coming back to where our entry was for the long. And check this out, guys. So we tag it, we go sideways for a bit, and then we're climax, boom, rip. Now check that out. And check out how crazy this is, because look at this. We get back again to the 272 extension. It's insane, right? So right on this trade right here, guys, I made about 600 bucks, right? Let me show you guys. Man, so right here, guys. So this was that one right here. So you could see I sold at 202, and I had what? Like 130 shares. So that was about 600 bucks right there. Okay. So 202, I'm going to show you. Look at this candle right here. That's right. Here's 2 o'clock. We got it right there, guys. And this is even more beautiful because at the 272, it puts in the holy grail pattern, which is one of our favorite trading patterns, the outside inside bar. And check this out now. Bam. Beautiful. I swear, man, I was just smiling all day because I'm like, it's just really is art. It's almost like you're learning to become a painter, and you're learning and you're practicing and you understand the math behind it, the percentages. It's just so beautiful. I didn't take this back down. I caught this one. I wish I took this one. I think my brother did though, but I didn't. So just beautiful, guys. So hit me with the 5 if you followed me there. Everything is about the Fibonacci, guys. Everything is about the Fibonacci. Everything is about the Fibonacci. It is, especially when you're trading high volume stocks, when you're trading the index, when you're trading anything that can have a robot involved. It is really just the Fibonacci, man. I'm telling you, I could show it to you guys. You guys know, man. You those who know, straight up. And those who don't will always be drawing lines for the rest of their life. And there's nothing wrong with that. But my concern is making money. My concern is not drawing lines. I'm just trying to make money. That's it. Wow. Okay, guys. So that was SPY. All right. Whew, we got a lot more to talk about here. So let's go to the swings. So today, our swings hit. Okay, our swings hit today, guys. We got MasterCard, Adobe, and Coca-Cola. So 2 out of the 3 went for big winners today. So MasterCard, Adobe, and Coca-Cola. So I always update the swing trade spreadsheet every single night. Let's look at MasterCard, right? So this was the exact setup here. So you could see right here. So our entry on MasterCard, let me find it, was 34569. So I'm just put that in. 345. Beautiful, man. So you can see right here at the open, guys, boom, we pushed through. And then our first target was 340.22. No, that's stop loss. 347.60. 347.60. Right, so we got a first target there, and then the second target was 351.16. 351.16. Beautiful. So it's just clean. You see that? You break right at the open, you hit your targets, bam, bam. Beautiful. Okay. So guys, that was MasterCard. Then we had Adobe, which was basically the same pattern. And if you look on the daily chart for these plays, what we were looking for here, guys, was the inside bar breakout. That's basically what we got. So we have all these plays. We had inside bar breakouts, guys. Beautiful, beautiful inside bar breakouts, guys. Beautiful. So you see that green line? That's the entry, boom, target, target. And it's important to take targets, guys. It's important to take targets because if you don't take targets, guys, then you see how we push back down? That's a part of the game as well. So always make sure you're taking targets, and then you can always leave runners on. All right. So hit me with the 3 if you're following me there. So there we go. So that's what I really wanted to cover. And then I wanted to cover a little bit about trading the news, right? Like whenever there's a big news event, how can you actually trade it, right? How can you actually trade the news event? So what I like to generally do, a strategy is once the news has like set up, like the news already came out, etc., look for a trading wars pattern. So in this case, guys, this was actually picture perfect because right after the news, 205, we have a holy grail. And the reason why you want to wait for a pattern is because the pattern is going to have a higher probability than just guessing, right? And you're also going to have a good place to put your stop loss. So you could see here was a holy grail. You enter the short when it breaks the low and you keep your stop above the high and we just rip down. If you missed that, guys, we had an inside bar that could scalp you back up. If you missed that, we had a double inside bar breakdown. So beautiful, right? So it's always better if you're going to trade the news, always wait for the pattern. Let the pattern set itself up and then play that because you won't be gambling there. You'll have an actual method to your madness, right? The other thing that I wanted to share with you guys, there's some raindrops here that I scanned recently. So some of them that I like. Tesla obviously has earnings, right? So that one's kind of irrelevant. But NVIDIA here, guys, I love this one here. Look at this beautiful blue raindrop. So Tesla, NVIDIA, Pepsi is another one that I like right here. Beautiful, nice, big raindrop. And that's pretty much the only ones. Intel is also another one I like. Boom. So those are some beautiful raindrops going into tomorrow to keep an eye on. I'm going to be posting up. I'm going to be posting some of the plays, some more setups for you guys tonight. So I see some questions. Rich, can you talk us through your SPY swing trade? Yeah, so that's what I just did, brother. So the white line was the entry, the green was the target, and the red was the stop. So normally what I do with the swings, right, is once I get to the first target, I will scale something off and then I leave the rest. I try to go for break even when I can, or I hold it to expiry. So in this case, it depends on how aggressive you want it to be. Like I showed you guys earlier, I had some shares as well, right? So I was able to lock in there, and I left a little bit of the calls on. So we'll see how those play out. But the general approach here is when you get to targets, you have to make a decision on if you want to hold it to expiry or you want to scale out. But generally, it's a personal preference, really, because sometimes you can get big home run plays by waiting, but sometimes people prefer to just do just like in and out. What are raindrops? So the raindrops, guys, are just a Trendspider candlestick, and basically what it represents is like just a period of consolidation. And I like using it. Just look in the past here on these blue raindrops. Generally, there's some good moves after them. So I'm gonna be just paying attention to that. So someone said Roblox. Let's see. Yeah, so Roblox was one of our picks. And then we got this. Yeah, so we have a Nirvana now. We have a Nirvana, which is a good setup. Yeah, so Discord was down today, guys. I think Discord, the servers had some problems. Reach out to me if you're having any issues. I'll take care of you. Yeah. All right, guys. So there it is. I didn't want to take too much of your time. Just have a game plan with SPY. Remember, all of these things in SPY, before the day starts, you should know your general areas of where are my longs, where are my shorts, where are my traps, right? You want to make sure that you know what you're doing. So that's why in my Discord, I always have these triggers. The triggers, guys, they help you to identify, where the pivot points are going to be. And then you can add your Fibonacci. Well, I show the Fibonacci in the rooms, and then you have a pretty good idea of what you got to do next, right? But yeah, so I'm just happy, guys, yesterday that whatever I said to you guys actually happened, right? I said we probably have a breakout of the high, which we did. You could see it's right here. So I made money on the breakout. And I said we could also probably see reversal at the 272. And that's exactly what happened right here, guys. Boom. So beautiful 272 right there. Okay. So I'm just happy that the setups are working and that they're helping you guys and you guys are making money. That's all that matters to me. But yeah, so there we go, guys. Any Trading Wars Army members, any questions for me? Any chart requests? Trading Wars Army members. So anybody with a green in their name, any questions, concerns, chart requests, anything for me? What do you guys have? Yeah, so generally with the inside, I have a full video on how to trade inside outside bars. Rich, any guidance on a fast track to become a CPA? I mean, there's no fast way, brother. You got to do your time. Everybody has to do their time. It's a long, long journey. Thanks, Jonathan, brother. Appreciate you, man. Yeah, it was nice to get both movements today, but it doesn't happen all the time. But when it does happen, you got to make sure you make your money. That's the main thing about trading, guys. It's not about being right or wrong. It's about when you're right, you got to make money. When you're wrong, keep the loser small. When you hit, make sure you cover, you make money. That's the most important thing. All right. All right, guys. So I don't see any questions or anything. So I'm going to wrap it up here. I want to thank you so much for your time, guys. If you want to trade with me tomorrow, guys, if you want to learn how to make money both ways, I definitely would recommend you to grab one of my books. If you want to trade SPY every day, grab the SPY Options Mastery book, guys, and come trade with us in the room. You get 1 month for free. I'm telling you, from value, what I've seen for years and years and years and years and years, this is the best value you're going to get, guys, because most people charge $150 to send you a chart that doesn't make any sense, right? So grab a copy of the book, take your 1 month free, come in the room tomorrow with us and come trade with us, guys, and come learn and just come practice, get better. It took me 7 years to get where I am today. So just keep pushing. If you already have the books or if you're not interested in the book, guys, you can just sign up right here. Okay. SPY VIP stock room, bam, bam. All the swing trades for the stocks are done this week. So if you want to do swing trades for stocks, I would wait until Friday to sign up. Do not sign up now. Wait until Friday when we have new picks ready to go. Otherwise than that, you guys are the best. I appreciate you coming here every day and giving me your attention. And I try my best to help you guys to the best of my ability. Do me a favor. I'm going to end the broadcast here. And Yesterday, I gave all the setups, right? We said the 272 reversal. We said all that. I want an honest opinion from you guys. I'm going to end the broadcast now. Did you guys take any of the trade setups that we talked about yesterday? Did you take the 272 reversal? Did you take the Holy Grail? Did you take the break? What did you do? Let me know, guys, because I want to make these streams for you to be a better trader. Let me know what did you do? Did you listen to what I said yesterday? Did you take the 272? Do you not understand what it is? It's totally fine. Just comment. I'm going to end the broadcast. Let me see how I can make more videos suited to your needs to help you where you are. Okay? Thank you very much. Catch you tomorrow. Take care.